The week was a lot of fun.
The Modeling Week is a great concept where our first-year students in our master program Industrial and Applied Mathematics are working on projects presented by companies from this Brainport region or sometimes even a bit further away, and they learn to apply their theoretical mathematical skills to real-life problems.
It was a very challenging week. We had a lot of fun, but it was also a lot of work. Usually when you get a problem, you know that there's already sort of a solution, because when you get homework, you know that there has to be a solution, right? And that's not the case. So you get a problem, you get some literature, and then the goal is to just solve the problem or gain insights to it.
Well, our challenge was for us to implement and especially optimize an encryption scheme so that the government could obtain a statistical value on, for instance, pandemic information, for instance in the coronavirus pandemic, without having the data from the hospitals itself. So without knowing patient data, they would obtain a statistical value to be able to know which policies to implement in practice.
The real challenge is not just finding a mathematical solution, but also trying to understand the problem, coming up with the results to the actual question, and formulating them in such a way that not only a mathematician, but everybody can understand it.
So we solved the problem basically by implementing what the company had already done, and we ran a program to test for different parameters, so for different values, to see which solution was eventually the fastest.
I really liked the presentation. I was quite surprised by how thorough they were. They really went into all the details of the cryptography, which I did not expect them to do, but they did it anyway. I think that they came up with good results, and I'm looking forward to actually implementing them and benchmarking them in the project that we use this technique in.
I would definitely recommend it to other students. As I mentioned, it's very challenging, but it's also a very good learning opportunity in my opinion.